name is Neil Getia. Today, liquid question solve is 392 is subsequence given to string S and T. Return to if S is a sequence of T of or false otherwise. A subsequence of a string is a new string that is formed uh, from the original string by deleting some can be no of the character without dis- without destroying the relative position of the remaining character. Example is ACE is a subsequence of A, C, and E, while AC is not. Example 1. Input S is equal to ABC and T equals to AHBGDC. Output is 2. S equals to ABC, B, and C. Example 2 is S equals to ASC, T equals to AHBGDC. A and C is T value is Mm, correct, but S value is not. The output is false. For is integer I equals to 0, integer j equals to 0, while condition is I less than s dot size and j dot t dot size. If condition is s of I equals to j of t of j. I increment and j increment. Return I increment at those size. Case 1 is accepted. ABC is output t equals to A, B, and C. Output is 2. ASC T equals to A and C. S not. Output is false. For this submit